school. Today we're going to show you how to install Node.js as well as NPM on, this happens to be a Mac, but this will work also on Windows. So you'll need Node.js for obviously running any kind of Node.js application development, and you'll need NPM to install packages from NPM that are JavaScript packages into your Node projects as well as any other JavaScript projects that you may have. So let's go ahead and get started. If you want to just open up your browser and navigate to google.com, you can just search very simply for Node.js, and you'll want to select this first link, nodejs.org. It's a very basic installation. Go ahead and click on this first option for recommended for most users. In this case, it's 10.15.3. It's the latest version right now. There is kind of a cutting edge version if you wanted to go with that route, but I'd recommend probably just choosing this option for now. If you click on that, choose where you want to install it. I actually have that already downloaded, but you go ahead and hit save, and you'll get that download. I'll go ahead and download that again. Go ahead and click on your package down here in the left-hand corner of the screen, and on a Mac, you'll get the installation wizard here, and showing you that you'll have Node.js, this version, NPM, this version installed on your machine. So this will actually install both of these products together. So in case you didn't know that, go ahead and hit continue. Continue, accept the license agreement. Select what drive you're going to install this on. Continue. Go ahead and hit install. Enter in your password, and preferably enter in the right password, and click install software. Let it install. We'll give that just a minute, and then I'll show you how you can actually check what version is installed. So after you've installed it, you can check the version. If you think you might have it installed, this is a way you can check the version as well. So go ahead and hit close there. We'll just throw the installer in the trash, which is fine. And if you want to hold down Command and Space on a Mac, that'll bring up your Spotlight search, and you can just type in terminal to get to a terminal window. And in order to check the version of Node that is installed, Node.js that's installed on your machine, you type in Node-V and hit enter. This will give you the version number for Node. And also, if you want to check the NPM version, you can type in npm-v, and that will give you the version of NPM that's installed. So before you go through this and actually install it, if you think you might have it installed, these should be the exact same commands on a Windows machine as well, but you should be able to pull up your terminal, or in Windows, pull up your command prompt. You can click on Start and type in CMD, and it'll bring you up a command prompt, and you should be able to run these same commands and see if you have a version. If you do have a version, if you have Node, you probably have NPM. If you have NPM, you almost certainly have Node. But you can go ahead and check the version. If it comes up with a version, they're installed. Not necessarily go through this. If you do want to upgrade this, you can go through this process and just run this install, and this will overwrite and get you to the latest version. So hopefully it's been helpful for you, and if you can go ahead and if this has been valuable for you, if you can subscribe and like this video, I'd appreciate it. We'll talk to you later.